Welcome to Psychology Plus.
Today we will unveil the 6 traits that make people attracted toward you. These traits are key to building attraction and positive relationships. Let's explore them one by one.
Authentic confidence. When you are comfortable in your own skin and don't try to be someone else, people naturally trust and feel drawn to your energy.
Positive body language, like an open posture and natural eye contact, signals that you are approachable and trustworthy. This builds trust and makes you more engaging in any interaction.
Emotional intelligence. The ability to stay calm during tense situations, such as choosing silence over an angry argument, shows strength and maturity.
Active listening means showing genuine interest in what others are saying, making them feel valued. This is one of the most attractive social traits. Genuine kindness. Small, sincere acts of helpfulness without expecting anything in return create a lasting positive impression on others.
A great sense of humor. Being able to laugh at yourself and lighten the mood makes people feel relaxed and happy in your presence.